Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a very quick unboxing with you because I don't have much time and it's nighttime. So here you go. So it just came from eBay. It just arrived today, literally like an hour ago, and I can't wait to unbox it with you. And it's another one of those vintage Coach bags. So I've got my this is my receipt from the seller. This one came from the States, from Florida. It's just like tissue paper. Oh, she wrapped it in eBay. I didn't know eBay had like tissue paper, but that's great. But this is the bag, and I don't have this color yet. I'll share it with you guys. Hopefully it's nice. Flip it open. It's none other than the ta-da! It's the Legacy Small Flap, style number 9965, I believe. It's mistakenly called the trail bag, but it's not really the trail bag. This is the Legacy Small Flap bag. So it's got the turn lock, and this color is bone. So bone is like an off-white beige color. It's got the Legacy style strap. It's got pen marks in it, and I know it was there because it was pictured. Inside, it's just got that one zip compartment at the back. And this one is made in United States, 1998. Inside's got more pen marks at the bottom, but hopefully, oh yeah, there's one there. Good thing it's under the flap. The turn lock seems to be in good shape though, so I just might leave it alone. Adjustable strap again, 1 2 3 4, so 4 holes. The back here, it's got the slip pocket. Oh, of course, and it came with a free popsicle stick. I'm sorry for the noise, it's my son just running around his room. Oh, and a toothpick. Of course, you never know what you get with these vintage bags, right? The corners are good. There's no really scuffing at the corners, which is great because bone bags don't typically rehab too well. There's marks on the strap there, as you can see, the black marks, but hopefully that comes out of the dunk. If not, so be it. I don't plan on doing like a major rehab on this bag just because I've done a bone rehab once, and bone typically don't rehab very well. Just because the outside part of the bag, how they dyed this bag, they coated it with something. So if I were to rehab it, sometimes it comes back, sometimes it doesn't come back. Chances are if you have like really dark scratches or discoloration, it's not gonna come back. So the easiest way is just dunk it and live with it and be happy with the bag as is. Otherwise, a full color refresh is the way to go, or dyeing the bag, but I really hate dyeing and I don't want to go that route. So anyway, I'm so excited. I don't have this color, you know, I don't have this style, and it's a nice neutral, so it's, you know, spring ready. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to dunk it, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I will do a review once I start using it, and a comparison. If you want to see any other size comparisons to other Coach bags, let me know. And I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.